everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and nutritious homemade chow mein that's super easy to make. This recipe is perfect for beginners and even kids. Let's get started. First, we need to cook our noodles. I like to boil water directly in a pan on the stove. It's easier and helps the water reach boiling quickly. If you have a kettle, you can also use it to boil the water and pour it over the noodles in a bowl. Once the water's bubbling, add your noodles. I'm using Sapporo Ichiban chow mein noodles, which are perfect for this recipe. Once the noodles are soft, carefully separate them from the hot water. Give them a quick rinse to wash away any oil or residue from the packaging, then place them in a clean bowl. Now, sprinkle the chow mein seasoning evenly over the noodles. Here comes the best part, adding our secret sauce, egg mayo. This gives the noodles an amazing, creamy texture and takes the flavor to the next level. Stir everything well so the noodles are evenly coated. If you want an extra boost of flavor, sprinkle on the dry seaweed seasoning that comes with the Sapporo Ichiban noodles. For added nutrition, top your chow mein with a boiled egg. It's full of protein and balances out the dish perfectly. And that's it, your homemade chow mein is ready to enjoy. Creamy, delicious, and packed with flavor. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to help me create more fun cooking tutorials. Thank you.